Righto, g'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. Today we're going to meet James and James's ute. That's all I'm going to say right now. Mate, I'm going to ask you a whole stack of questions. You're going to share this thing. This looks absolutely spectacular, especially with the sun shining on it. Mate, what is it? Let's start with, what is it? Is it a 45? Is it a FJ, HJ? What have we got?
This is a 1984 HJ47. Got a tub on it.
Yeah, that is beautiful. Now, I'm guessing that this didn't come with it. You found this somewhere else?
No, that tub came from Pinaroo in South Australia.
Fair income.
Sitting under a gum tree.
Oh, wow. And what was the condition of the tub?
As it is now.
Really?
Just with the yellow paint on it.
Fair income. So no rust.
Tailgate.
Wow, what a find. That is sensational.
You can see the dents in it. That's how it was.
Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. You know, those little rivet marks and stuff, that's, you know, that's Toyota, isn't it? Like, that's cool. Yep. That's really nice. Well, that is a sensational find in that condition. That's awesome. And it really ties the rest of the vehicle. So let's start. We've started from the rear end. Now let's move forward through to the cab. All HJ47 cab.
It's all original panels besides the tub and the roof.
Now, there's something else going on here too, bud. When I look here at the front windscreen, I didn't know that HJ47s had 3 wipers. What's the story there?
I bought this car as a pile of parts, and I was looking at my wipers, and there was 3.
So it had 3 holes in it already?
It was a 2 wiper frame, but the linkages I got were 3 wipers.
Fair income. It's an LX.
Yes.
Wow.
Drilled the 3 holes in the frame, welded up the old 2, and now I got wipers.
How cool is that? Now that's awesome, you know, like I love the 3 wipers on an LX. I'm a big fan of the LX. One day I'll get mine finished, hopefully. But I don't think I've seen it on a ute before.
No, I don't think I have either.
Well, I'm going to say, unless one of you guys out there have it, you're one of the first that I've seen on a ute. I do know that there's a dual cab build going on around that has a similar sort of a setup, but they're not up and going yet. So you're on the road, you win. So that's cool. Yeah, nice, mate. That looks fantastic. Now, the front end, I really love. Is this a Warn winch?
Yep, 8274 high mount. That's
cool. And you've colour coded it to the vehicle.
Yep.
That really sets that off. Now, this bull bar, this is almost identical to the bull bar that I've got on my 1965. How'd you pick up this bull bar? Where'd you find this?
No, it just came in the pile of parts with the car.
So you see a pile of parts, right?
Yeah.
Where was this pile of parts? Was it, did you buy it all as a package deal, or you just started collecting things over the years?
I bought a package off my uncle. It's cab swapped.
So it's cab swapped, and you've pretty much left over all the bits.
I got the leftovers of 2 cars.
And how were the panels when you got them? Rusty, or were they in this type of condition?
I didn't really have to do much. The doors, they were just a bit wavy. There was no real rust in it. The bonnet's pretty much as it was, just scuffed it back. Guards, obviously all guards have big dents in it everywhere, so a bit of work in the guards. Yeah, it was a pretty good car. I didn't have to do much work in the panel department.
Now, is this a genuine, or is this a McKinnon's?
From McKinnon's Cruisers.
McKinnon's. Yeah. I just saw the inside of it, saw how thick that steel was.
Yeah.
The genuine bars look very similar to this, but very thin steel.
Yeah.
And mate, doesn't take much for it to get knocked around and dinted up.
Yeah.
McKinnon's have come out with this bar. It is solid, it's ready for a winch. You didn't have to do anything, it was ready to go, wasn't it?
Put it straight on.
Yeah, that's awesome, cool. Very good. Righto, so I'm guessing it must have the 2H motor in it, if it's the HJ47, would that be right?
Not really.
No, let's have a look. What's going on under the bonnet? Oh, wow. I can see you still have a 2H sticker.
It's a 2H.
Doesn't look like a 2H. What's going on here?
Well, I didn't get an engine with this pile of parts, so I bought a 1HZ75 series.
Nice.
Took all the good bits out of it.
Very nice. That looks incredibly clean. The whole engine bay looks absolutely spectacular. That is beautiful, mate. Like, that is so clean. That's cool. How much work was involved in doing the swap?
A lot of work.
I could imagine.
Obviously, engine and gearbox mounts had to be changed straight away.
Yep.
New exhaust. I got a reproduction 40 series top hat for the
yes,
speed.
yes, yep.
My gear stick comes out of the original hole still.
Not Ian Bushman?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, Ian Bushman does a fantastic job if you ever are looking for that 5-speed top hat, so you don't have to cut into your gearbox housing there. So that's cool, mate. Well done. We'll have a look, mate. Let's have a look inside.
Yep.
Righto, so a nice little surprise there under the bonnet. Now I'm just looking through here. Power steering, 60 series.
Yeah, 60 series steering box in it.
Yeah, that's, again, like, mate, you have made everything so neat. It is mint. There is no mud. There's no marks on this thing. That chassis is clean. The engine's clean. Oh, mate, fantastic. Now, we've already spoken about the 3 wipers, which we know is now from LX. The rims, are they genuine LX rims?
They are genuine LX rims.
Now, LX was an FJ40 short wheelbase, very limited edition, only available from 1982 to 1984. Never came out in anything but a short wheelbase.
Yep.
But you've gone one step further, and I can just see a glimpse in there. Pop open the door for me. What's going on inside?
Well, I couldn't have my
Okay,
I couldn't have
cool.
triple wipers without the rest of it.
100%, mate. That is spectacular. That's awesome. So we've got LX seat belts,
Yep.
LX seats,
Yep.
and it's a good idea. You've got them protected there. That's because they do wear out, especially on the driver's side.
Yeah.
Floor, again, these are all very rare parts to come by.
Yep.
The door cards, you've kept that to the same color as the LX as well. So it's just tied in the whole lot, mate. That is a ripper. That's really cool.
If anyone has genuine LX door cards, no speaker holes, I want them.
There you go. There you go. I do know a guy actually. But if you have some set that's lying around, your brown door cards, hit us up and I'll hook you up with James, because that'd really tie this whole building together, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, mate. What was was it the 3 wiper blade that inspired the whole LX theme?
I don't know, I like it.
I like it a lot too, mate. I think the whole thing has tied in absolutely beautiful. And even though these door cards aren't quite genuine, they look brilliant.
Yeah,
they look
do
really,
look
really
good.
nice. Yeah, yeah. That's really cool. Now, the whole dash, I can see it's still HJ47.
Yes.
So you've got all your little goodies, every little bit that they jammed into those last few years in the 40 Series Land Cruiser you've got up on the dash, including your tacho, digital clock. That was full luxury back then. Now, the only thing you haven't got, are you looking at possibly doing an aircon unit for it?
Yeah, I've got one. It's just one, it's the next step.
Yep.
Not done yet.
Yep. Look, at the end of the day, these things, they continuously move forward to build, and you know, you're always tweaking them, aren't you?
Yep.
And you've got the genuine radio in there too, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, nice. No, excellent. Do you get many people pulling up and saying g'day and asking about the truck, or?
This is probably the second time I've ever driven the car.
Oh, you guys are in for a treat. So
I haven't really driven it yet.
If you see this on the road, or you see it on the tracks, give James a big wave, because mate, it is absolutely beautiful. Let's go back. We haven't spoken about the sun visor. Is that a 40 series sun visor or a modified one?
It's 40 series.
Wow. Yeah, so mate, James, you've done a great job. You've really tied in a lot of the 40 series feel, the look, the whole lot, with the extra grunt and power of a 75 series.
Yep.
Mate, what an absolute sensational build. You should be really proud of yourself. I hope you are.
Yeah.
No, this is great. This is fantastic. Mate, what an absolute cracker. Thank you for sharing it today. I really appreciate your time.
Yeah.
And mate, again, the effort you put in this is sensational. Good job. Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Good on you. All right, well, until next time, take care.